Hello, and welcome to FDA FURLS. How do they affect medical device manufacturers? If you're in the medical device manufacturing business, you're likely familiar with the FDA regulations, including FDA FURLS. However, understanding these regulations can be complex and confusing. This guide breaks down FDA FURLS into easy-to-understand terms so you can better understand how they affect your business. So what are FDA FURLS, and why do they matter? FDA FURLS, or the FDA's Unique Device Identification System, is a regulation that requires medical device manufacturers to label their products with a unique identifier. This identifier helps to improve patient safety by allowing for better tracking and identification of medical devices. It also helps streamline the recall process in the event of a safety issue. Compliance with FDA FURLS regulations is mandatory for medical device manufacturers, and failure to comply can result in fines or other penalties. So what are the different types of FDA FURLS? There are two main types of FDA FURLS: the Device Identifier, DI, and the Production Identifier, PI. The DI is a unique code that identifies the medical device's specific model and version, while the PI identifies the particular unit or batch of the device. Both identifiers must be included on the device's label and in any electronic tracking systems used by the manufacturer. Medical device manufacturers must understand the differences between these types of FURLS and ensure they properly implement them in their labeling and tracking procedures. So how to navigate the FDA approval process for your medical device? Navigating the FDA approval process can be daunting for medical device manufacturers. However, it is crucial to understand and comply with these regulations to ensure your product's safety and effectiveness. One critical step is to work closely with your regulatory team to ensure all necessary information is included in your device labeling and tracking system. It is also essential to stay up to date on any changes or updates to FURL requirements, as these can evolve quickly and sometimes without notice. By staying informed and proactive, you can navigate the FDA FURLS process with confidence and ensure the success of your medical device business. So how to stay compliant with FDA FURLS regulations? Staying compliant with FDA regulations can be a challenge for medical device manufacturers, but is essential for ensuring the safety and effectiveness of your product. One tip is to establish a robust quality management system that includes regular audits and reviews of your processes and procedures. It is also essential to stay up to date on any changes or updates to FDA regulations and to work closely with your regulatory team to ensure all necessary information is included in your device labeling and tracking systems. Finally, consider investing in employee training and education to ensure everyone knows the latest FDA requirements and best practices for compliance. FDA FURLS, or the FDA's Unique Device Identification IDU system, is a set of regulations requiring medical device manufacturers to label their products with unique identifiers and submit product information to a centralized database. While these regulations can be complex and time-consuming to implement, they are essential for ensuring patient safety and improving supply chain efficiency. By complying with FDA regulations, medical device manufacturers can also improve their reputation. So how can Quality Smart Solutions help you? Our experts at Quality Smart Solutions are here to help and offer medical device-related regulatory advice and support on successfully securing your medical device license. We can help you by responding to potential information requests, keeping your license updated, and reviewing your device label. We can also cover 510(k) medical device registration, facility registration FURLS, IVD device registration, and SAMD classification. Please contact us today to learn more about how we can support your compliance needs during and after licensing. Thank you for joining us, and have a lovely day.